Akala ko effective yan. Are you running promos na parang maraming tao pero kulang pa rin ang kita? Does this hit close to home? Kasi may couple na sina Melanie at Andre na merong pet grooming and supply shop. 7 taon na rin yung negosyo nila and they were doing well enough. Pero si Andre wanted to try something new para makapagpapasok daw ng customers na bago. So he started running discount promos every week. 20% off, buy one take one, flash sale. Ang nasa isip kasi niya, pag may discount, bibili ang tao. For months, ginawa nila to. They ran promo after promo. And yes, people came. Pero nung tiningnan ni Andre ang mga numbers, maliit lang kanilang profit doon. And sobrang busy nila, pero hindi naman sila making more money. Yes, they were more busy, but not more money. So worse, customers are now waiting for the next discount instead of buying at the regular price. Pinatay nila yung sarili nilang negosyo sa kapo-promo. Not knowing what else to do, Melanie and Andre reached out to me for advice. Nung nakita ko yung numbers nila, sabi ko sa kanila, alam nyo ba, you're training your customers to never pay full price. They are not loyal to you. They are loyal to your discounts. Masakit pakinggan, pero both of them realized that they were doing something that they felt was effective, pero actually hurting the business the long term. Masyado silang focused on bringing people in that they did not step back to see if talagang profitable ba yung kanilang technique. So, ang itinuturo nito sa atin is when you are inside your business every day, you measure success by what you see. More customers, more activity. Pero hindi mo nakikita what's happening behind the numbers. Yung shrinking ang margins, paliit ng paliit, changing customer behavior, at saka yung long-term na damage. Kailangan mo ng outside eyes to show you what is really working and what is not. Kaya tandaan natin, dapat maging business-minded Pinoy.